money.
How about that money?
No way! That's Lois's rainy day fund. Ah, damn it.
So you couldn't date her?
Not a stickler for a tickler.
Not a tickler stickler.
Not a tickler stickler.
Where the hell is the remote?
Glasses.
Really? Oh, honey. Hello.
This is my special friend Max Weinstein. He's Jewish.
Oh, my.
Of Justin's hair, I'll never ask you for shopping money again. Please!
Well, we promised Lois we'd use our powers responsibly. But I suppose doing the exact...
Hey, do you want to split a Toblerone? Oh, gosh. Yeah, I think I do.